In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a Facebook ad schedule with rules. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to optimize ad delivery times and efficiency. Let's dive right in. We start our journey by heading over to Facebook Ads Manager, open your preferred web browser and type Facebook Ads Manager into the Google search bar. Upon finding the correct link, click Go to Ads Manager. This will take you to the Facebook login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email and password. Once you've done that, click on Login to proceed further. Once you're in the Ads Manager, navigate to the Campaigns dashboard. At this stage, if you haven't already set up an ad set, you can choose to create a new one or edit an existing one. The choice is yours, depending on what works best for your campaign goals. Let's proceed by clicking on Ad Sets to view our options. Upon selecting the desired ad set, you'll want to look for a button labeled More. Click on this and it will present you with the option to create a new rule. Select Create a New Rule to continue. Next we'll choose Custom Rule. This allows us to tailor the scheduling to suit our specific needs. Moving forward, click Next. You'll now type in a rule name, pick something descriptive so it's easy to identify later. Following this, you'll need to decide which options you want the rule to apply to. Once set, move on to the action section and select the best suited option for your strategy. When setting your time range, you'll want to select the maximum duration. This ensures you have the flexibility to modify schedules as needed. Under the schedule section, click on Custom. This is the magic touch, allowing us to specify the exact days and times for the rule to be active. Now it's time to precisely choose the day and time that best fits your advertising strategy. This capability ensures your ads are running at optimal times. Tapping into the peak hours for your target audience. Adjust these settings to align with your campaign's objectives. Finally, after you've double checked all configurations, click on Create. Congratulations, you have just set up a customized Facebook ad schedule using rules. This setup will allow your ads to run efficiently, making the most of your advertising budget. Remember, exploring various scheduling setups can reveal what works best for your audience, so feel free to experiment in future campaigns. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe for more insider tips on mastering social media tools and strategies.